Homer, ang dami nagtatanong kung totoo daw po ba na na natalo ang FIBA World Cup team sa Asian teams. Ano bang pwede mong ibulgar at
To-
sabihin tungkol dito?
Totoo. Tambak. Actually, tambak ng 18 points. Tsaka pagdating sa fourth quarter daw, medyo naawa na lang yung Asian team. They slow down the gas, kaya nagiging respectable ang ending. Ito sa exhibition game, obviously, walang statistics. Pero, hindi naman balls in the walls na talagang banat-banat, pero hindi din all-star type. So, serious ang laro. And, you know, I don't know. I'm so happy to say this, Pao. Alam mo ba sino talaga? He gutted the defense. Para daw isang, yung ba mag-fillet ng isda, Pao? Kita mo yon?
Yeah,
Yung
yeah, yeah.
si Bolik daw. He gutted the
Wow.
Gilas defense like a salmon. Like a piece of
Wow.
salmon. Grabe daw.
So nilunok
Napabilib.
lang, nilunok lang niya, kinain lang.
Y- y- No, boss. I mean to say, yung depensa nila, he could penetrate at will.
Yan na
Grabe
nga.
daw kadami ang assist. Oh, ganun. Nilunok niya, boss. And then, many people are wondering, why is he in the Asian pool? Ba't wala siya sa main Gilas? Right?
Hmm.
Ang galing daw. And then you know who else? Who else? Sabi ng mga sources ko, boss. First of all, walang tao allowed. Walang media allowed, boss.
Mm.
Pero alam naman na,
Walang
you
media
know,
allowed pero may istorya ka.
of course. Nasa lahat, boss. Nasa spin, nasa pass break, nasa paukas, nasa sports on air. May mga
Okay.
sources tayo, boss. So,
Okay.
ano din, boss? Alam mo, sino din ang magaling, boss?
Hmm.
Na yung people also wonder na baka kung nasa Blackwater, parang relax-relax lang siya sa Blackwater. Pero when playing against good teams and playing with better teammates, grabe daw, boss. Cedric Bearfield was as unstoppable as a woman's tears, boss.
Wow. When you make that comparison.
Grabe, boss. You know? So I'm so happy because, ngayong, and you know what, deservedly so, the glamour team is the Gilas, di ba? Sila yung nasa
Yeah.
MOA. Pero yung Asian Games natin, Pao, it's hard to imagine how they cannot defend the title kasi ang galing. And everybody was there, ha? I was told. Everybody
Alright.
was there. So, kompleto ang lineup. Pero, Pao, ito yon. Unfortunately, ito yung mga nakita sa sources ko. And my sources are very good. I pride myself to be intelligent in basketball. Pero ikumpara sa mga sources ko, Pao, na nandoon sa laro, I'm as dumb as Abando. I mean that in basketball, ha? Hindi sa pagkatao or pagkaano.
You
Yun ang ibig
have
ko
to
sabihin.
poke the bear.
Sorry.
You have to poke the bear.
No, I'm calling myself dumb. Abando is smart. I'm just saying, I'm so dumb. Ang IQ ko sa basketball, dumb ikumpara sa mga nag-feed sa
I
akin
don't
ng
think this is a
information.
smart statement that you just made, though.
Okay.
Matitrending ka na naman yan. Makukuha na naman yung part na yun. Yung part lang na yun, ang kukuhanin
Sige.
ng mga content creator. Bahala ka.
Bahala na sila po, basta sa akin lang.
Yeah,
Basta
talaga.
depensahan ako ni Doy TV. Kaibigan natin yan. But anyway, Pao, so,
Pwede ba ako mag-react muna?
yes,
Magtanong?
go ahead. Pao,
know,
I'm
kasi
so
yung
excited. Ang
statement
dami
mo...
kasi ng info na nakuha ko, Pao, eh.
Sige, sige.
By the way, lalaro naman sila ngayon, 11:30. So, I'm sure babawi yung Gilas. Babawi
Yeah.
yun. Lalo na, nagsilabasan na nag-leak na ganito. So, pakikitain kita. So, ikaw muna, Pao. Kasi I'll show you why
Oh.
kung yung pinakita nila kahapon against the Asian team, pass your papers, finish or unfinished na tayo against Jordan. Kung yun ang pinakita,
Yeah. Well, una-una, let me react to this. I'm very happy na meron tayong source na nakita natin na natin kung kahit paano napulsuhan natin kung ano yung World Cup team natin, qualifiers team natin. Pero when you say na grabe ka naman talaga mag-term, naawa ang Asian Games team sa grabe ka naman. Pero
Of course, boss.
it's refreshing though that you are complimenting my boy Bolik. My boy
Galing si
Bolik is
Bolik.
doing great. Continue to do that. And please be clutch sa Asian Games. Now, here's the thing, no? With all of this, alam ko may tinag mo pa si Coach Tim Cone talaga sa fuming Tim Cone.
Of course.
And
Of course.
grabe
That's-
yung pagtatag sa kanya.
Because
Oh.
that's what great teams do. Great coaches do. They demand excellence. Whether it's exhibition, whether it's first game in the elimination round, whether it's game one of the finals, whether it's a play-in tournament, a coach demands excellence.
Of course.
That's what separates Coach, Tim Cone, Yeng Giao, Chot Reyes, and the others from the field.